everybody. So today me and Raven are at Silver Falls State Park. We are doing a 5.6 mile loop hike. So far it's a nice day. It's only a moderate hike, so it's not going to be too bad. It's a little bit crowded, but it is only like 10:30 in the morning, so definitely expecting more people as the day goes into the afternoon. This used to be a community kitchen that dated back from 1936 to 1937. So a lot of it has been restored and repaired over the years. Waterfalls Historic District. So here's a little map of the area, and we are here. So we are going to continue to make a left to stay on the trail. So far, the people that we've seen at the parking lot went the opposite direction. I decided to do this trail counterclockwise. From reading the reviews, I guess it's a little bit better on the knees to do the counterclockwise way instead of going the other way. I don't know if that's because this trail has a little bit of incline. I don't know, but so far it's been paved, easy. Nothing hard about it yet, so I don't know if it's going to stay this way through the whole entire trail. It'd be nice if it did, but so far it is an amazing place to come and see. A lot of history in this Silver Falls State Park. Definitely I'm going to take my time and enjoy this hike because it is a beautiful day. So here is an amazing view of South Falls. We're definitely going to get a little closer, but this is the view from the top. You can definitely go on the trail as you see those people going, and then you can see some people behind the waterfalls as well. And then there's another viewpoint of the waterfalls looking from the top down over there. Now what we're doing is we are walking down Canyon Trail, and we are gonna go get a better shot of South Falls. Here after a little bit we're going to be coming up to Lower South Falls. It's going to be the second waterfalls we're going to be running across. But I noticed not too many people are doing the loop, so since we're kind of getting out into the trail, I'm noticing there's not very many people on the trail. Everybody's like congested at the first waterfalls that I showed you guys at. So it's kind of nice. It feels like we have the whole trail to ourselves. That must be the Lower South Falls. I'm gonna see if we can get a better shot. Hopefully we can when we walk up here a little bit more. You guys see there's some staircases. So the trail is gonna go this way and around and down this way. And then we should get a better shot of Lower South Falls. The water definitely feels great. Oh, feels amazing. So now we're going to move on to the next waterfall. There's a little cave. Doesn't go too deep. Alright, so the next waterfalls we're going to see is Lower North Falls and Double Falls. So we should be coming up to them here pretty soon. And right now we are almost at the halfway mile marker. After that, after we see these next two waterfalls, we are only going to have 2.8 miles left in the trail, and then we will be done. This trail has actually gone pretty fast. It is getting a little crowded now since it's 12:30 in the afternoon. A lot more people here now, but overall still not too bad. But here, after a little bit, once we see these two waterfalls, we're going to stop and take our lunch break. It's time to eat. So this is Lower North Falls. So you guys can see this is Double Falls. Starts from there and it goes all the way up there. We're going to stop here at Double Falls to have our lunch and just take a break before we continue to do the other half. But these waterfalls are beautiful. You guys definitely need to check it out if you guys are in the area. So I believe we're coming up to Drake Waterfalls. This is Drake Falls. Not really much of a falls, but it's a little one. So that was Drake Falls. It was a small falls, but it was kind of hard to see because of the way the bridge was, and then there was trees in the way. But next we're going to go see Middle North Falls. We should be coming up to that here pretty soon. But I am tired now. Now that I sat down, had some lunch, definitely didn't want to walk. Definitely didn't want to get up. My legs don't want to work. They want to sit down. But gotta push myself. There it is. Middle North Falls. Oh, here's another map. So we're going to continue to go right over the bridge. So the last waterfalls is right here where you guys see me pointing. And as you can see, there's no waterfalls there. It must have dried up, but down there I hear like water trickling. So I'm thinking maybe that's it. But yeah, this was supposed to be the last falls and it's not here. So it's kind of disappointing, but like I said, it might have dried up. Who knows what happened. But right now what we're going to do is we are almost done with the trail, and we're going to continue on now to our car, because after this there's no more waterfalls. This was the last one. So we'll see you guys when we get back to the car. Alright guys, we made it back to the car. The total miles that we walked according to the All Trails app was 5 miles exactly. So I know the All Trail says it was 5.6. But it only shows up as 5 miles. Not complaining either way about it. It was still an amazing hike. So guys, thank you for joining me on this hiking vlog, and we will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.